Hi guys, this is your boy again, C4. Today we're gonna learn more about switching on your Wi-Fi or network if it's off. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna just advise you if you want to connect your router or your Wi-Fi, whatever that you call it. Maybe you are calling it a Wi-Fi dongle, or is it your router? Yeah, I'm going to show you how to log on into it and set up your internet to get it up and running. Yeah, let me show you the first step. So what you'll do, you'll go to your router, just for example, just under the router there's an IP address that goes in 192. It starts with a 192.168, then it says dot something dot something. It differs. So you're gonna take that, and then on your connected PC to that router, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna just show you with my computer here on how we go about it. So mine, it's 192. You can see it will pop up automatically. Yeah, that's where you click on it, and then it will take you inside the router. So now I'm at work. The router is like 2 blocks away. So I'm connected to that router. So as you can see that the telecom SA network is disconnected. This happens when there's low internet connection, like when there's no line totally. So what we're gonna do is we'll try to switch it on. So firstly, we're gonna try and log in to that to the router. So what you're gonna do, just under usually if it's your first time using that router, your password will be admin, and also your username will be admin just before setting up your router. So in this case here, this router has been set up, therefore my user account, it's admin. Then my password is something else, something different from admin. So I'm just gonna quickly punch in the password. There we go. Then yeah, we're in. As you can see here, it says log out, which means we are logged on now. So you're just gonna come here on connection settings. Then on the dial-up menu, you're gonna click that, and on the next mobile connection title, you're gonna click on that. Then as you can see here, it says turn on, which means it's off at the moment. So you're gonna just click on that. Then as you can see, it says success. Then we're gonna apply it. Then and normally, those situations whereby let me give you a scenario. Recently, Telkom has been moving from MTN, and it's going to Vodacom. So when that process happens, what you need to do is just click on this button right here, data roaming. Enable that so that your network remains consistent. So you're going to click on enable, then apply, then okay, success, which means it's allowing you that everything is good, and you apply on that. Then what we're going to do now, we're going to go to the home page to see if it's up and running and connected. Let's just go there and see. As you can see now, our problem has been solved. The telecom is connected now. The telecom router, we are back online, and let me show you that we can surf now. As you can see, let me try to go to my Gmail. There we go. the network is up and running. Okay guys, thank you guys. Please subscribe to the channel and like, and then leave your comment below. Don't forget that. Leave your comment and whatever that you want me to assist you on. Till next time, it's your boy C4.